Hello, and thank you for joining the LightWork Software Team to learn about harnessing emotional intelligence for leadership success. My name is Morgan Lacey, and I spend my days connecting with HR professionals to learn about what tools and resources their team needs to be more successful. I've learned a lot over the years, which is why you can find me here every month sharing best practices in performance management and other workplace themes. Today, I'm going to review the role that emotional intelligence plays in leadership, the benefits it has to leaders, and then I'll wrap up with the tools and light work performance that allows leaders to engage and communicate with their workforce. Leaders with high emotional intelligence are able to recognize and manage their own emotions as well as the emotions of others. This self awareness allows them to remain calm and composed in challenging situations, providing a stabilizing influence for their team. Emotionally intelligence fosters strong interpersonal relationships by encouraging leaders to be empathetic and considerate. By understanding the emotional needs and perspectives of their team members, leaders can build trust, which is essential for effective communication and collaboration. Authentic connections foster trust and credibility between leaders and their team members. When leaders demonstrate genuine interest and concern for their team, it builds a sense of trust. Team members are more likely to follow leaders they trust, leading to a more cohesive and motivated team. Leaders with high emotional intelligence are better able to understand the dynamics within their team. They can identify individual strengths, weaknesses, and motivations, allowing them to tailor their leadership approach to meet unique needs of each team member. This understanding helps in assigning roles and responsibilities that align with each member's capabilities. Emotional intelligent leaders are able to understand the emotional and psychological needs of their team members. They can sense when morale is low and take proactive steps to address underlying issues. Leaders with high emotional intelligence understand the importance of intrinsic motivation. They inspire and motivate their team by aligning individual goals and organizational missions, making the work personally meaningful. This connection boosts engagement, resulting in higher levels of productivity as team members are driven by a sense of purpose. Resilience refers to the ability to withstand and bounce back from challenges, setbacks, and adversity. Emotionally intelligent leaders are able to recognize the signs of stress and burnout within themselves and their team members. By maintaining a calm and composed demeanor, these leaders can model effective stress management techniques, providing guidance and support to help their teams navigate difficult situations. This understanding helps prevent stress from becoming overwhelming, allowing team members to recover quickly and maintain productivity. Change is inevitable in any organization, and emotionally intelligent leaders play a key role in helping teams adapt. They guide teams through transition with empathy and understanding, providing clear communication and reassurance. By encouraging flexibility and a positive outlook on change, these leaders help team members view challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation, enhancing their resilience. Leaders with emotional intelligence excel in conveying their message clearly and concisely. They understand the importance of tailoring their communication style to suit the needs of different audiences, ensuring that the message is received and understood effectively. This clarity reduces misunderstandings and aligns team efforts with organizational goals. Providing constructive feedback is crucial for growth, and emotionally intelligent leaders create a safe space for open and honest communication. They deliver feedback in a supportive manner, focusing on both strengths and areas for improvement. This approach not only facilitates personal development, but also fosters a culture where feedback is seen as a positive tool for learning. Trust is fundamental to effective communication, and emotionally intelligent leaders actively work to build and maintain it. By being transparent, consistent, and reliable, they establish strong relationships with their team members. This trust encourages open communication and collaboration as team members feel that they are secure in expressing their thoughts and opinions. Self aware leaders can accurately identify their own emotions and understand how these emotions influence their thoughts and actions. This recognition allows them to manage their emotions effectively, maintaining composure and making rational decisions even in high pressure situations. By modeling emotional regulation, they set an example for their team to follow. Leaders with self awareness are conscious of how their behavior and emotional expressions impact their team members. They recognize that their mood and actions can significantly influence the team's morale and productivity. Authenticity in leadership builds trust and credibility. Self aware leaders are genuine in their interactions as they have a clear understanding of their values and principles. This authenticity fosters transparent communication and builds strong foundation of trust within their team, encouraging open dialogue and collaboration. Leaders often face stressful and high pressure situations that can trigger strong emotional responses. Self regulation enables leaders to maintain composure, think clearly, and act decisively rather than reacting impulsively. This calm and collected demeanor reassures team members that they're able to manage these things, which offers trust and confidence in the leader's ability to navigate change. The ability to regulate emotions ensures that leaders can approach decision making with a clear mind. By managing emotional impulses, leaders can assess situations objectively, weighing options carefully, and make informed decisions that align with organizational goals. This thoughtful approach enhances the quality of decisions and demonstrates sound judgment. Consistency is the key to building trust, and self regulation helps leaders maintain consistent behavior and responses. By regulating their emotions, leaders can avoid erratic and unpredictable actions that can undermine their credibility. A reliable and steady leadership style fosters trust among team members, enhancing overall team cohesion and morale. Socially skilled leaders excel in fostering a collaborative environment. They encourage teamwork by recognizing the strengths of individual team members and facilitating cooperation. By prompting a sense of unity and shared purpose, these leaders enhance team cohesion and drive collective success. Leaders with strong social skills can influence and inspire others to achieve common objectives. Through effective persuasion and motivation, they can align team efforts with organizational vision and goals. This influence is crucial for driving change, overcoming resistance, and achieving long term success. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can cultivate a motivating work environment by aligning organizational goals with employees' personal values and interests. By connecting work tasks to a larger purpose and recognizing individual achievements, these leaders inspire employees to engage deeply with their work and strive for excellence. Emotionally intelligent leaders empower employees by providing them with autonomy and opportunities to take ownership of their work. This empowerment fosters a sense of responsibility and trust, encouraging employees to innovate and take initiative. By feeling trusted and valued, employees are more likely to engage and motivate. Emotionally intelligent leaders prioritize informed decision making by seeking diverse perspectives and gathering relevant information. They create a culture where team members feel comfortable sharing insights and feedback, leading to well rounded and informed decisions. This thorough approach minimizes risks and aligns decisions with organizational goals, contributing to long term success. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can identify signs of dissatisfaction or disengagement early on. By proactively addressing these issues and supporting and providing support, they prevent them from escalating into reasons for leaving. This proactive approach helps retain and maintain a stable workforce. Emotional intelligent leaders are able to address the root cause of conflicts rather than just the surface issues. By understanding the emotions driving the conflict, leaders can facilitate discussions that lead to meaningful resolutions. I want to review a few of the tools that Lightwork Performance Management provides to help leaders engage and communicate with their workforce. Surveys provide employees with the opportunity to express their opinions, concerns, and suggestions in a safe and confidential manner. Through surveys, organizations can collect valuable feedback on various aspects of the workplace, including job satisfaction, leadership effectiveness, and organizational culture. This feedback helps identify strengths and areas for improvement, guiding strategic decisions and initiatives that align with employees' needs and expectations. Regular documentation allows for ongoing feedback that is constructive and timely. Performance records provide a basis for discussing achievements and areas for improvement. By engaging in open and honest conversations about performance, managers can guide employees in their development and help them overcome challenges, enhancing their growth and engagement. Goal setting clearly defines what is expected of employees, outlining specific tasks, responsibilities, and performance criteria. This clarity ensures that employees understand their roles and contributions. When expectations are transparent, employees can focus their efforts on achieving defined objectives, leading to a more engaged and motivated workforce. Performance reviews contribute to fair and objective evaluations by providing a structured framework for assessing performance. They ensure that evaluations are based on documented achievements and criteria, reducing biases and subjectivity. This fairness fosters trust in the evaluation process, ensuring that employees feel their efforts are recognized and appreciated. If you'd like to learn more about LightWork Performance's user-friendly and web-based platform and how it can help leaders engage and communicate with their workforce, please feel free to reach out to us through the website linked below in the caption. Thank you for joining the LightWork Software Team to review the foundations of emotional intelligence for leadership. I hope you enjoyed our presentation and join us here again next month to learn more about best practices in performance management and other workplace themes. And if you'd like to connect with LightWork Software, please feel free to reach out to our website linked below in the caption. Thank you.